Well, over the last decades, there's been an increasing interest in how nutrition can actually affect cognitive performance, and more specifically, how breakfast can affect cognitive performance in school children across the school morning. I would say at the moment, there's some evidence to suggest that this is the case, but there's a lack of studies really looking at the type of breakfast that might be optimal for cognitive performance in school children. Carbohydrates are of interest in terms of potentially being beneficial as a breakfast in the morning for cognitive performance, partly because once carbohydrates are ingested, they're broken down and glucose is released into the bloodstream and also the brain. And the brain needs glucose to function optimally. Now, looking at different carbohydrates, we know that different carbohydrates differ in the rate they are released into the bloodstream, and that rate is termed the glycemic response or blood glucose response. Now, from the evidence we have so far, it seems to be that carbohydrates that release the glucose rapidly into the bloodstream might not be as beneficial in the longer term across the morning, whereas carbohydrates that release their glucose more slowly into the bloodstream might be more beneficial for cognitive performance. And the reason for this is that the brain then has a stable, steady supply to the neurons or in the neurons for optimizing cognitive performance.